Is the Sculpther Pelvic Restore device a scam, or is it actually worth your money? Let's break it down. No hype, just facts. Sculpther is a legit women's wellness brand based in the US, and yes, they actually ship out real devices. The main draw here is the Sculpther V-Tone, which uses electrical muscle stimulation, EMS for short, to help strengthen your pelvic floor. The idea? It's supposed to mimic thousands of Kegel exercises, all while you relax at home. Sounds pretty great, right? But let's get real about the results. As of March 2026, Sculpther has a poor rating on Trustpilot, about 2.5 out of 5 stars. Some women report that the device just didn't work for them, or it was tough to use effectively. Others are happy, but the reviews are seriously mixed. So, is it a scam? No, Sculpther isn't just taking your money and running, but the effectiveness isn't guaranteed. These at-home EMS devices are FDA cleared for safety, but they're not as strong as the clinical ones you'd get in a specialist's office. For example, you could try something like Mcella or InMode V-Tone at a clinic, but that means higher intensity sessions, professional guidance, and probably a bigger dent in your wallet. Bottom line, at-home devices like Sculpther are convenient and private, but they might not work for everyone, especially if you've had certain pelvic surgeries. Medical experts usually recommend seeing a pelvic health physiotherapist first, just to be sure this type of treatment is right for you. If you're thinking about trying Sculpther, do your research, talk to a pro, and make sure you know what you're signing up for. Your pelvic health matters, so make the choice that's best for your body.